My best wishes to you all. Give me your 5 minutes most precious time. I want to discuss the most precious task in your life. If you want to succeed anything in this universe, we always know very well the requirement of our English language. If we have a perfect communication skill in our life, we will succeed anything very interestingly and easily, especially massive manner in this universe. But we don't have the perfect communication skill in our life. We always strive a lot to develop the perfect communication skill, but it is failed in some situations. We have the inferiority complex in our mind not to improve the perfect communication or language caliber in our life. If you have, as I told in my earlier sentences, if we have the perfect language, we can achieve anything very easily and interestingly. I don't like to give the real importance or values of our language within 2 to 3 minutes. Just I come to my business. I am Saddam Hussein, language trainer. I have been giving the perfect training to all the higher departments and high personalities, leading personalities, higher authorities. I can give so many adjectives or adverbial sentences to you. In a nutshell, I have been giving training to all higher eminent personalities for the past 9.5 years exactly without having any chaos at all. I'm not certified trainer, but I have been developed by my own style to give the efficient training to each and every individual for having the branded language in their life. We want the perfect trainer who must teach in English in our mother language based on our caliber in which we will understand the language very efficiently without having any problems at all. I'm talking in English very slowly for you all to have the perfect nuance or content of this language. I'm extremely happy to tell one thing with you, that if you want to have the real or perfect communication skill with your great enthusiasm, please attend just only one class. Decide yourself. It is going to change seriously and surely and challenge your life too. This perfect communication class will not only give the change but challenging also to our life improvement in each and every day. For that, it is not necessary to spend more than a month, more than at least 45-60 days. It has been asked you to spend just only one class. Have the courage to join only one class. You will understand the real potentiality of my teaching. You will understand yourself, who you are, to introduce yourself in the field of language world.